Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make an ice-dyed geode shirt. I'm starting with the shirt inside out, and I'm finding an area where I'd like to begin a geode, grabbing the center of that area, and then I'm going to slide my hand down to where I'd like the bottom of that geode to be. That's where I'm going to start tying. I'm using sinew, and I'm tying the sinew as tightly as I can. Then I'm going to place several more sinew lines going out toward the center of the geode. You can tie as many or as few lines as you like and make them as close or as far apart as you want. I'm also going to keep messing with that center area just to make sure it doesn't look too much like a bullseye. Okay, so now that I've shown you how to tie a geode, I'm going to go ahead and tie the rest of the shirt up, and I'm going to speed this process up quite a bit. Once the shirt is tied, I'm going to go ahead and set it aside and allow it to dry out. I find that I get better color saturation if I apply the dye to a dry geode versus one that's too damp on the inside. I'm going to ice dye this geode shirt in the muck, which means that I'm going to allow the shirt to sit in a container and to sit in the runoff from the melting ice and dye. I'm going to apply a variety of blue, teal, and purple to this shirt. And I'm going to randomly apply the dye to the different sections of the geodes. I'm also going to apply some dye to the space up on the top of the shirt that isn't really a geode, but it's where they all kind of meet. I'm going to speed this process up, but I'm using Grape from Custom Colors, True Purple from Grateful Dyes, Lavender from Grateful Dyes, Sky Blue from Grateful Dyes, Glacier Blue from Dharma, Aquamarine from Pro Chemical and Dye, Seafoam from Custom Colors, and Sea Glass from Dharma Trading Company. Then I'm going to add an additional sprinkle of soda ash over the top of the shirt and apply the ice. I'm adding a lot of ice to this shirt because I want to make sure that the bulk or the majority of the shirt is down inside of the muck. Because this shirt is an unusual shape, not absolutely every area of the shirt will be down inside of the liquid, but most of it will. Then to add a little bit of additional dimension to the geodes and fill in any of the blank areas, I'm going to add an additional sprinkle of sea glass from Dharma and glacier blue from Dharma over the top of the ice. Then I set the shirt aside and I allowed it to process for probably about 36 hours after the ice melted. I placed it somewhere where it wouldn't be disturbed at all or moved in any manner. Then I took the shirt to my utility sink and I rinsed it as normal. I started rinsing in cold to rinse out the soda ash that was in the shirt. Then untied all of the geodes and gradually warmed the water up to hot to rinse out any of the excess dye that didn't bond with the shirt. When the water was almost clear, I put the shirt into my washing machine along with a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent. I washed it using a hot cycle, and after the shirt was washed and dried, this is what it looks like. So what do you guys think? I really like this shirt. I like the color combination of the teal, blue, and purple. I think those colors work really well together. I also think I got really good color saturation. There's not a lot of white left on the shirt, except the white lines around the geodes, which I wanted. But what do you guys think about the shirt? Do you like it? Do you like the color combination? Drop me a comment down below and let me know. And if you've enjoyed the video, I sure would appreciate it if you would like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.